Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Welcome to new lesson. Today we will learn lesson 11 or Dai Ju Ikka. In this lesson we will learn counter suffix and uses of counter suffix. As you know, there are so many counter suffix in Japanese language as per the things. So we will learn about that. Then how to put interrogative questions in counter suffix and quantifier ni kai quantifier dakke. Before enter to the grammar, please go through the vocabulary. It will be easy for you to understand. Okay. Imas, imas. In lesson 10, we learn imas when we describe the existence of the animate. In this lesson, we will learn imas when we have possessed a child, or imas when we explain about the stay. So, imas, kodomo ga imas, imas, nihon ni imas, or Indo ni imas, America ni imas, Hiroshima ni imas, kakarimasu, yasumimasu, ringo, mikan, sando ichi, kare rice, aisu kurimu, kitte, hagaki. Futo, sakutatsu, kakitomi, ea meru or kokubin, gaikoku, jikan, shukan, kagetsu, nen, gurai, donokurai, zenbu de. Minna, dakke, irashaimase, ii o tenki desu ne, odekake desu ka? Chotto made. Itte irashai, itte mairimasu, itte kimasu. Itte irashai, the family member saying to the person who is leaving the house. And itte mairimasu, itte kimasu, the person who is leaving the house says to family. Okay. Sorekara. Here I have given some counters. Please look at here. Here hitochu, futachu like this, and ikko, nikko, two counters are there for things. First we finish this, then this one. Hitochu, futachu, mitsu, yatsu, itsutsu, mutsu, nanatsu, yatsu, kokonotsu, to. After to, we can't get more than that in this reading. So we have ikko, nikko, sanko, ko, yonko, gokko, rokko, nanako, hakko, kyuko, jukko, or jikko. When we read hitachu putachu, the question is ikuchu, and ko, the question is nanko. Suppose there is a question nanko, you can also answer in hitachu putachu. Even if the question is ikutsu, you can say also answer in ko, because after 10 there is no counter of. Suppose it is 11, ju ikko, 12, ju nikko, 13, ju sanko. Come to next, for person, the counter is hitori, futari, sannin, yonin. Nin is the counter suffix. Gonin, rokunin, shichinin, hachinin, kyunin, junin. Question is nannin. For thin and flat things like CD, paper, the counter is mai. Ichimai, nimai, sanmai, yonmai, gomai, rokumai, shichimai, hachimai, kyumai, zumai. Question is nanmai. For machinery things like computer, car, all kind of machinery things. Counter is dai. Ichidai, nidai, Sandai, Yondai, Godai, Rokudai, Nanadai, Hachidai, Kyudai, Zudai. Question is Nandai. For frequency, it means that we do some action frequently. Counter suffix is kai, ikkai, nikkai, sankai, yonkai, gokkai, rokkai, nanakai, hakkai, kyukai, jukkai or jikkai. Question is nankai. We also learn before counter for the apartment. It means floor of the house also kai. But there are some special reading we have. When we have for san, here we have kai, but there we have san gai. And question here it is nan kai. In counter suffix for the floor, it is nan gai. Comes to small animal. For small animal, the counter suffix is ippiki, piki, nihiki, san biki. Okay, so hiki, piki, biki, yonhiki, gohiki, roppiki, nanahiki, happiki, kyuhiki, juppiki, jippiki. The question is nan biki. Ichi, roku, hachi. We have piki. 10 also piki. San biki. Ni, yon, nana, kyu. All are hiki. So hiki, biki, piki. This is little difficult, but once you practice it will be easy for you. Ippiki, nihiki, sanbiki, yonhiki, gohiki, roppiki, nanahiki, happiki, kyuhiki, juppiki or jippiki. Question is nan-biki. Now we will learn grammar of the counter suffix. Okay. In Japanese language we are using different suffix for different counter. Like for small things, small animal, people, frequency, etc. We already learned thy counter suffix is used for the machinery things, my used for flat things like CD, paper, this, kai for frequency, nichi for day, nin for person, sachu for counter for the book or notebook. Let's learn some grammar related to counter suffix. Uses of counter suffix. Quantifier generally put before the verbs, they modify. However, this not happen with length of time. Look at the sentence. Ringo yotsu kaimashita. Gaikokuji no sensei ga futari imasu. Kuni de 1年間日本語を勉強しました。1年間。車が2台あります。公園に女の子が4人います。This is written in kanji. You can read 4人。4人います。CD を3枚ください。1年に1回旅行します。Here we say that quantifier generally put before the verbs. They modify. But it is not happen with length of time. Look at here. When we are saying yotsu, futari, nidai, yonin, just before the verb comes. But when it comes ichinen kan and ikkai, both do not comes before the verb. Okay? Ichinen kan nihongo benkyou shimashita. As it is related to time, so it comes here. Not before the verb. Okay? Please pause the video and write 2-3 sentences. Here, Ringo take O particle. Already we learned in lesson 6 because it's kaimashita. Transitive verb and it is direct related to the object. Okay? But here, Kuruma ga nidai arimasu. Arimasu we already learned when we have something means possessive. So noun take ga particle. Hope you understand. Please pause the video and do 2-3 sentences so that you never forget the grammar. Next, interrogative. How you put questionary sentence in counter suffix. Mikan o ikuchu kaimashita ka? Mutsu kaimashita. Anata no kaisha ni gaikokujin ga nannin imasu ka? 5 人います。毎日何時間日本語を勉強しますか ?2 時間勉強します。どのくらい日本語を勉強しましたか ?2 年間ぐらい勉強しました。東京から大阪までどのくらいかかりますか ?新幹線で2時間半かかります。Here we put question ikuchu because mikan, things. Here nannin because gaikokujin, foreigner, for the person. Here we take nanjikan. We already learned nanji. Here nanjikan refer to a period of time. Dono kurai, how long? どのくらい日本語を勉強しましたか ?2 年間ぐらい勉強しました。How long you learn Japanese language? About 2 years. 東京から大阪までどのくらいかかりますか新幹線で2時間半かかります。It means it will take 2.5 hours by bullet train. わかりますか ?How you put the questionary form in counter suffix. Comes to the next. Quantifier or quantifier period, particle ni, kai. This grammar form used for how often one do some work. We do some work in a frequency way. Suppose we take 3 times meal in a day, we play tennis twice in a week, we watch movie once in a month, we go for a trip once in a year. Let's learn how to make sentence in quantifier period. 1日に何回食べますか ?1日に何回食べますか Quantifier period is 1日 whole day. In a day. In a day how many times we take food? 3回食べます。3 times. 1週間に何回テニスをしますか Here quantifier period is 1週間. Okay? So 何回テニスをしますか It is 2回。します。Here 1年に in a year. The quantifier period of time is 1 year. So 1年に何回旅行しますか 1回します。I do travel once in a year. Okay? Next. Quantifier dake. It means only. It comes after noun. So noun dake. Okay? Please look at the sentence. Yasumi wa nichiyobi dake. Only Sunday. この学校に外国人の先生は3人だけいます。Only 3 foreigner teachers are in this school. います。Existence of person. 私はパンとコーヒーだけ買います。パンとコーヒーだけ。Only bread and coffee. Hope you understand how to use dake. You can say that 今日漢字だけ勉強します。朝ごはんは果物だけ tabemasu. Breakfast is only fruits. Please pause the video and make 2 or 3 sentences using dake. Renshu, please read it. Mika no itsutsu kaimashita. Mika no mutsu kaimashita. Mika no to kaimashita. Mika no ikutsu kaimashita ka? Okay. Goju en no kite o sanmai kudasai. Goju en no kite o 4枚kudasai. Okay. Goju en no kite o 6枚kudasai. Okay. Because kite, it is a flat thing, so counter suffix is mai. Next, この会社に外国人が1人います。この会社に外国人が2人います。この会社に外国人が3人います。Question is 何人いますか ?4 番、私は国で3ヶ月日本語を勉強しました。私は国で1ヶ月日本語を勉強しました。私は国で6ヶ月日本語を勉強しました。あなたはどのぐらい日本語を勉強しましたか ?Or already we know instead of あなた we can use person's name. スミツさんはどのぐらい日本語を勉強しましたかサントスさんはどのぐらい日本語を勉強しましたかクミさんはどのぐらい日本語を勉強しましたか Next, 1日に1回映画を見ます。1回。1ヶ月に4回映画を見ます。1週間に2回映画を見ます。何回映画を見ますか Before that, you need to say a quantifier period's name. Okay? 例えば、1年に何回映画を見ますか ?1 日に何回ご飯を食べますか ?1 週間に何回テニスをしますか ?Hope you understand how to put question in 何回。Ni particle will come after a quantifier period of time. No other particle comes over here. Please remember this. 1日に1週間に1ヶ月に1年に。Okay? Next. 答えを書きなさい。Please write the answer. Example sentence given over here. リンゴが7つあります。7 7つ because リンゴ is things. Like this, 1番から4番までしてください。Please do from question number 1 to question number 4. As per the nouns or you can say object we have here, please put the appropriate counter related to these nouns. Please pause my video and do it. Then check with the answer I have given over here. Next, here. 1番、学生。As it is 学生, human being, person, so counter suffix is nin. 学生が10人います。自転車 machinery things. So counter suffix is 台。自転車が8台あります。切手を11枚買いました。切手 a flat thing. So counter suffix is 枚。スイカを2つください。スイカ a things. So counter is 2つ。Or you can say also 2個。Hope you understand. Please pause the video and write 2-3 sentences like this with different counters. 答えを書きなさい。 Please write the answer. Example sentence given over here. Kodomo ga nannin imasu ka? Futtari imasu. As it is written futtari, it is 2 person. So question is nannin. So ichiban kara 5番まで shite kudasai. Okay, please do from question number 1 to 5. Then you check the answer. Ichiban isu ga ikuchu arimasu ka? Here answer is mitsu. So question should go ikutsu. Kippu wo nanmai kaimasu ka? Here answer is nimai. So question go nanmai. It is very easy to put the question form when you check the answers. 3番 Ryo ni jitensha ga nan dai arimasu ka? 8 dai arimasu. Mika no nanko kaimasu ka? 12 ko kaimasu. Neko ga nan biki imasu ka? 2 hiki imasu. Here ni hiki, ni, so counter is hiki, but question is nan biki. We already learned these things in this lesson only just now. So nan biki as for the small animal. Hope you understand how to use the interrogative words when you make a questionary sentence. Next, put the appropriate particle. Example is given over here. We learned so many particles till now. So use all those particles wherever it is required. Example sentence. Hikoki de 2 時間かかります. Hikoki de we already learned in lesson 5. Vehicle takes de particle when it used as a transportation. 1番から 4番まで自分でしてください. Please do by yourself from question number 1 to question number 4. Then check with the answer. I have given over here. Let's see. 1日に3回彼女に電話をかけます. 電話 it is the direct object of かけます verb, so it takes O particle. Here 1日 it is a quantifier period, so it takes ni particle. この荷物はインドまで船便でいくらですか? 船便で 船便 is a means when we use a means to perform some action, that means take the particle. 3番ブラジルに1年います. Here we don't need any particle. Brazil takes ni particle because it refers to a specific place where we stay. Next, 4番 Ringo o muchu kudasai. Hai, 600 yen desu. Okay, this is yen. We already learned the kanji. Please go with that. And it is muchu. As Ringo, it is a direct object, so it takes O particle. Ringo muchu kudasai. Mika no futatsu kudasai. Like this, it takes O particle. Hope you understand about the particle. Next, kaiwa. Okay, do same A-san to B-san. If you have partner with you, then do it. If you don't have partner, make 2 hands as 2 person. A-san, B-san. いらっしゃいませ。サンドイッチを1つください。かしこまりました。いらっしゃいませ。サンドイッチを1つください。かしこまりました。Okay? Second, 2番 A さんと B さん。家族は何人ですか？5人です。両親と兄弟が2人います。2人。Once you learn the kanji, practice it in your study, so it will be easy to remember. Next, 3番。 A さんと B さん。これはアメリカまで速達でいくらですか ?700 円です。どのくらいかかりますか ?15 日ぐらいです。Please do conversation like A さんと B さん if you don't have anybody with you to talk. If you have partners, then do with that person. It will be easy to develop your spoken Japanese. Now, kanji time. Meaning of the kanji: root, origin, true, main, kunyomi, motto, onyomi, hon. Hon, book. Honjitsu, this day. Meaning of this kanji: half, kunyomi nakaba, onyomi han. Hantoshi, half a year. Hanbum, half. Meaning of this kanji: division, part or minute. Kunyomi wakareru, wakaru, wakeru. Onyomi bun, bu, fun, pum. Wakeru, to divide. Gofun, 5 minutes. Meaning of this kanji: power, force, ability. Kunyomi chikara, onyomi ryoku or riki. Chikara, power. Rikigaku, rikigaku, dynamic. There is a separate kanji video for N5 course. Please go with that. It will help you more how to write the kanji properly, and also you find some more words. Including that, you also find quiz. It will help you a lot. Today's class is this much. I think you find this class useful. If you are watching in YouTube, just click the subscribe button and share with your friends if you think they can get benefit from this lesson. Let's meet in next session, new lesson, new vocabulary, new grammar and some more new kanji. Till that time, stay safely, stay healthy. Sayonara. Goodbye.